With my jeweler's loop, one opportunity I wanted to use it for was to look at the blade of my knives. It's been a long time since I've sharpened them, and you can tell. They hardly cut anymore, mostly just smash whatever we use them on. And I thought it was time to give them a quick sharpen. Now, tool care isn't something that I'm always great about, but it is something that's important, and I need to work on. So I thought now's a good chance to use my sharpening stones and give these a better edge. I'm certainly no expert when it comes to sharpening a knife, but I have the tools that I need to do it, and I can drag it across a stone a few times. Just follow a YouTube tutorial. I'm certainly no master about it, but it is important to know how to keep your tools in a good working order, what materials to use, and the basic techniques. And it came out pretty well. Things are slicing better, and I think it's a good lesson to uh, just work towards keeping my tools in order. That's a part of knowing how to use a technology, is how to repair it, how to keep it in working order, and knowing when it is in working order.